Hello everyone, I'm representing Team Slick, a startup addressing waste management challenge. My name is Lokesh Puri Goswami and my teammates are Kunjpreet, Nikita, Amir, Gaurav and Kunjal. Our mentor is Dr. Pankaj Kumar Porwal. We are from Techno India India Institute of Technology. We had participated in Smart India Hackathon 2018 Hardware Edition. Our nodal center was NIT Tiruchirappalli. We were the first runner-up of that nodal center. Currently, our team is incubated at Techno India NGR Incubation Center, Udaipur. Slick is a composite material made up of waste plastic, marble slurry, and construction waste. From this composite, we are preparing construction products like waterproof brick, paver block, tiles, and artifacts. In our unique technology, we have totally eliminated the use of water, soil, and cement, which are essentials in similar existing methods or technologies. To process these raw materials, we have designed and fabricated a mixer extruder machine to prepare prototype of waterproof brick and tile and other products. Our methodology comprises of mixing, melting and extrusion process which carried out in mixer extruder machine. This is controlled engineering technology which is developed by our team with the help of our mentor using in-house resources and skills. The final outcome of this process is a semi-liquid paste which can be molded into any desirable size and shape. So currently we are making bricks, I-shape and zigzag shape paver blocks, tiles and other blocks. The test result shows that the brick is 50% more stronger and 30% more lighter than the red clay brick, and it has only 3% water absorption tendency as compared to red clay brick which have up to 20%. Therefore, it makes our brick more suitable for the wet and monsoon prone area. It prevents dampness of wall, hence saves occupants' life from severe health issue caused by bacteria and fungus. Our technology promising that there will be no water leakage problem, so eliminate the painting, repairing and maintenance cost of the structure. In slick made walls, there will be no salt deposition as you can see on the red clay brick walls. Hence, slick does not allow the water to penetrate, so it will improve the structure lifespan. In our B2C segment, we are planning to launch our waterproof brick product at the end of 2020 and sell them to the tech-savvy builders and individual homeowner. Hence, India is under rapid infrastructure development. It has annual demand of 200 billion bricks, which holds the market share of 1300 billion rupees. In our B2B segment, our potential market is red clay brick manufacturer. This industry is under threat by government regulation because of their unstandardized manufacturing process, which cause the high carbon emission and black smoke. And the other thing is scarcity of raw natural resources like soil, water, and the coal. Now, we are planning to franchise them our technology so they can continue their existing businesses, and meanwhile the millions of jobs can be saved. To implement our first stage, we are collaborating with Udaipur Municipal Corporation. They will be our first partner to provide us raw material like a plastic, marble slurry and construction waste, and they are also willing to buy our products for their public infrastructure projects or smart city projects. Now on the behalf of my team, I would like to thank SIH and AICT for providing us such a great opportunity. The funds which had provided by AICT are playing crucial role and very helpful for us to continuing our product development work. It is our honor that we get the opportunity to become a part of the world's biggest hackathon. I wish that MHRD continues this event and introduces more such opportunities for students so more and more innovations can be turned into startups. With this note, I would like to end my presentation here. Thank you very much.